Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that the slant height that is about 3 meters in here. We need to find the value of angle to make sure that we can maximize the volume. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to consider about this triangle in here. So we know that this is about the right triangle. So the next one we have H, R, and number 3. We can apply about Pythagorean theorem. So that should be about H square plus R square equals to number 3 square. Now the next one that is about the angle. So about the angle in here, I will use about alpha over number 2. Why? Because this side in here and this side in here, they have the same value. So that means I will highlight the green color. So the green triangle in here, that is about isosceles. So that means the height will divide this angle into a half. That's why we have alpha over number 2 in here. So about alpha over number 2, we have cosine alpha over number 2. That is about adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent of alpha over number 2, that is about H. And the next one, that is about number 3. And the last one, that is about the volume. The volume of the cone, that is about 1 over 3 H R square B. And now we need to convert H and R square in terms of alpha over number 2, or maybe cosine of alpha over number 2. So about H, we put number 3 go to the left. So H equals to 3 cosine alpha over number 2. The next one, we have R square. This one we have R square. So I will put this one go to the right. And we know that H, that is about this one. So 3 square, that's about number 9. This one you got 9 cosine of alpha over number 2 square. So after we got everything in here, so that should be like this. This one, that is about this one. So I will put about t equals to cosine of alpha over number 2. So number 3 and number 3 I cancel. And this is about t multiplied by 9 minus 9t squared b. So I will consider about f of t in here. That is about this one. So t multiplied by number 9 and 9t squared. So we need to find first the derivative of f of t. So that should be like this. Now I will put this one equals to number 0 to find the critical points. So that means this one equals to number 0. And now we have 9 minus 27 t squared equals to number 0. So we can find the value of t squared. That is about 1 over 3. So t, that is about cosine alpha over 2 squared. So in this situation, we have cosine alpha over 2 equals to number 1 over the square root of number 3, and cosine alpha over number 2 equals to negative of number 1 with the square root of number 3. And now we put about inverse trigonometry. So we have alpha over number 2 equals to cosine 1 over the square root of number 3. And the next one, that is about negative cosine, cosine of negative 1 over the square root of number 3. Later that we put number 2 go to the right. So this one, that is about approximate 250 degrees. This one approximate about 109.47. So because this is about the cone and the maximum in here of this angle, that is about 180 degrees. So we need to reject this one. So we need to accept this one. After we have this one, we can put back about f of t in here. So t, I select about 1 over the square root of number 3. So if we put this one cone here, and we have 2 with the square root of number 3b. This is the end. Thank you for watching.